Good morning. Hey, love those egg cups from Starbucks but don't want to go there or spend the money? Well, here's how you make them yourself. Now, a lot of people are talking about how eggs are expensive, which is true unless you're like me and you raise some chickens, although that has its own kind of expense. But I do love walking outside in the morning and getting to see what the ladies have been up to. Thank you, ladies. Thank you, ladies. Well, I'll be taking these back up to the kitchen. You can use store-bought, of course. Very simple. Just get your muffin tin, spray it with some olive oil. I microwave some bacon, and then as it cooled, I just used my scissors to cut up into small pieces. Whisk together 4 eggs. Now, of course, you can do different things. On this morning, I used some basil, black pepper, salt. You could also add some red pepper flakes if you want a little kick. I had cheddar cheese today. Gruyere is what they use at Starbucks. I think that's good, really good, or some parmesan, and a little bit of cream here. Pour them in the muffin tin. It only took about 10 or 12 minutes to bake them, so you can easily whip these up in the morning and wow your family. And they're good if somebody has a commute. You can eat them in the car. Look, they come out perfectly, just like a popover, but no flour. And there's your yummy protein breakfast, and you didn't have to go to Starbucks.